So I'm at the end of Marine Lines Flyover, and we're going to go along this direction, which will take us to the Mangalas market almost. Like, I'll see how far we can go actually. So let's continue. This is like really a cool part of the city which I didn't know, and I came across this when I was taking a taxi ride towards the CST. So thought to actually share this with you. And just look at that, all those old buildings over here. Like most of them are in good condition. Some of them need repairs. Nice, actually. You can see there's this building in the distance right after the signal, so we are going over there. Let's continue after the signal. So let's continue towards this side. Look at all that detail and the architecture. Kind of awesome. Yeah. Take a look at that. Woo. Pretty cool. Out of these two lanes, I guess I'll have to pick one, but look at that, awesome.